You wonder what is CrewAI and what you could do with it? We asked the GenAI's lamp to reveal the potential of CrewAI and how to harness this multi-agent framework. Let's discover with this very simple demo CrewAI. CrewAI is a leading open source framework to build multi-agent workflow and architecture. If we go on the GitHub website, we can see it's under MIT license, and the objective is to orchestrate role-playing autonomous AI agents. So you define your different agents, and then you allow them to discuss with each other to fulfill and attain a specific task that you provided them with. Right. So let's move on to a quick demo to understand how it works. So here I import the necessary libraries and also my GPT-4 API key, because that's the one I will use for the tree agent. Let's define now the tree agent. The global task that I want them to tackle with is to organize or help me organize an IT event, in a technical IT event. And I will use three agents. The first one will be in charge of identifying the appropriate country, place, duration, and date. Here, you know, I have a specific backstory. All right. Then the second agent is in charge of the content. So decide the content, including conferences and animation, and he knows everything about cutting edge innovation and tech in general. And my last agent will be in charge of marketing and communication, and provide all the messaging to make the event a success and engage potential attendees and participants, right? So basically, those three agents, they're very simple. They only have a role, goal, and backstory, but they could also have tool calling, different capacities that I define here. Then I define the task that I want to achieve. So the first one is the venue. I want specifically now in this demo to identify the best location for international IT conference in Africa. And I want the country, the city, and the best period to organize the event. And I affect this task to the venue coordinator. Then the editorial coordinator will be affected with the task of the theme, the tracks, and the main speaker. And I want the proposed agenda. And finally, I have a communication task that is affected to the marketing and communication agent, basically to produce the communication plan, the catchphrase, and the general messaging around the IT event. Now, I define my crew very easily. It's a crew consisting of those different agents and tasks, and I want the verbose mode on. And basically, I execute the workflow. So first, venue coordinator. So in charge of identifying the best location for international conference based in Africa. And you see, he did the job. South Africa, Johannesburg. Which period? Climate, September would be a good choice. The weather is pleasant. 5 days, Monday to Fridays. Then the editorial curator now is taking over. Let's move on here. Yeah. The editorial, so global theme, innovative tech for sustainable future with different tracks depending on the days. And you see here Elon Musk, because he was born in South Africa, CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, but also other well-known people, mayor of Cape Town, IT people in Africa now. And then finally, the marketing and communication agent is providing the event name, Tech Future Summit, Powering Sustainability for Innovation. The catchphrase will be, join us for a transformative journey into the future where technology and sustainability intersect. And here's the marketing and communication plan, blah, 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 with different channels that you can use, social media, email marketing, press release, and different kind of engagement with webinars, Q&A section, networking session, and possible follow-up. Right. So very, very, again, simple example, this time with three different agents. We can build many and more complex workflows, but that illustrates the power of CrewAI.
And that's it for now. Keep making wishes, and maybe the GenAI's lamp will fulfill them. Stay tuned. Bye bye.